Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting your material into Imovie, import the video, and select the clip you'll edit. Once selected, detach the audio via Modify Detach Audio so you can work on the voice independently. This prevents accidental changes to the picture. If you prefer a new narration, use the voiceover button and record with your mic. Speak clearly and monitor levels. Make sure input is set correctly. This first separation makes later effects precise and non-destructive. Next, focus on shaping the sound. Select the detached or recorded audio, then open Clip Filter and Audio Effects. Pick a preset to jumpstart the effect. Once done, fine-tune volume and the equalizer to remove muddiness. Reduce background noise if needed for clarity. If you want a different timbre, use speed and pitch controls. Small changes are often more natural, but larger shifts create character. Make sure to preview frequently so timing matches the video. Adjust fades to smooth transition. Finish by syncing and polishing. Scrub through the timeline with headphones, trim or nudge the clip so speech lines up exactly with the action. Use fades to remove pops. Export a short test file and listen on another device to confirm levels and tonal balance. If you hear warbling or artifacts, reduce extreme pitch or speed edits. Once done, re-record the line if necessary. As a tip, move complex pitch changes into GarageBand for better control. Then import back into Imovie.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.